Good morning. Beautiful early December walk in the forest. We hadn't had any snow yet. The frost is already gone this morning, and so off we go. This is the trail marker, the trailhead. This trail has lots of things to climb over, fallen logs especially, so hopefully it's not going to be too slippery this morning. Morning sun shining on the trees. Where you live, do you have, so I think this is from an old lightning strike, this piece here that's fallen down. And it's really interesting throughout the forest how there are these random trees that have been struck by lightning and then created some really interesting structure in the forest. Here's my happy puppy. Sticks galore. Let's go. Oh, I just saw some orbs. I'm not sure where they disappeared to. They're very close to me. Let me know if you see any orbs. I feel like they're just kind of around my feet, actually. Here's our first up and over. So up straight ahead, and then along that fallen log to the left is our path. This is so cool. So I'm walking along this tree right now. There's holes, like secret little nests in it, homes for various critters. Here's our next bridge up there, and then along this log. Amber's already over at the end. Don't know if you can see her down there. The moss is really incredible this morning. Try not to step on it as we make our way. I feel like I'm walking over somebody's face. Do you see it? I just got a glimpse. So there's some kind of elementals right here. I don't know if they'll show in the camera. This is the way we're going. Doggy always seems to know the way to go. She's so good, she comes back, checks on me. Ready? Interesting. Somebody marked those two trees with enormous yellow plastic bags. Odd. Community. This is what community does. Creates trails, looks after this beautiful space that we share with the animals. Surprised the creek bed is dry. This will be flowing very actively with deep water very soon. Sometimes I think I'm partly crazy, but I just see so many things in the moss and the trees. It's so sweet. All right, back on the path. I hope you've enjoyed this walk with me this morning. I wish I could hold the camera for the whole time and maybe do it in double speed, but it's just not enjoyable. To walk holding the camera, I mean. No, I'm not climbing down there today. Not much water in this creek either. And here we are. Just a few more steps and we'll be back in the neighborhood.